Keynote's DeviceAnywhere Enterprise platform enables users to quickly and easily build resilient and portable test scripts that run on real mobile devices. With DeviceAnywhere Enterprise Automation, you can automate any test, run it ad hoc, or schedule it to run at your convenience, and then view reports in a web interface, complete with pass-fail results and proofs, such as screenshots and video. The key to DeviceAnywhere's effective and efficient automation solution is our script objects technology, which enables scripters to act on web elements, native application objects, and UI objects. Thus, regardless of the type of application you're testing, the device it's being tested on, and the use case you're scripting, you can automate all of your tests easily and quickly. This means getting through your testing faster, enabling testing of more devices in the same or less time, reducing time spent maintaining scripts, offloading repetitive tests from manual testers, and enabling them to spend more time on exploratory testing or other high-value manual test activities. For this demo, we're going to show two short examples of DeviceAnywhere scripts built for mobile applications. One that works for a mobile website and one that tests a native application. The first example will be the website using web script objects. Let's connect a device and enter a URL. We're going to start our first example by typing in a URL to a web app, which allows a user to search and book for a flight. Note that in manual testing mode, I found the browser icon, clicked on it, and then typed in the URL and sent it to the device. Pretty easy, but automation can make it even easier. Now I'll go back to the home page and drag in the Open Browser command from my script panel. I open it up, type in the same URL, select Clear Cache, and close the command. Now I run it, and now note the command automatically opened the browser, cleared the cache, and went to the correct website. Now that I've opened the browser, I want to search for a flight. The next step is to click the Book Flight link. I can add the web-click command to the script, and when I open it, it inspects the document object model of the current page. To select the Book Flight link, I need to use the Find By functionality, which provides me multiple ways to find elements on the web page. In this example, I'll use the text attribute to find the link. Once I choose text, the command automatically pulls all of the text from the DOM and provides it in the dropdown. I choose Book Flight from the dropdown. If I want to make sure I've selected the right element, I can click on Inspect Element, which will then draw a red box around the selected element on the device. Another useful tool is the Show DOM Tree button. This will inspect the document object model and show a hierarchical view of the HTML that makes up the web page. I can also highlight the element that I want to act on there. So let's make this a little bit more interesting. We just showed you how you can easily find and select a link in one command. Now let's fill out an entire form in one command using the web form command. The web form command automates the entry of form field values into the web page. Like the web click command, the DOM is inspected and the list of forms is displayed. Once the form's selected, you can see all of the form fields as well as their possible values. In addition, scripters can even use variables to run through a series of different values. All of DeviceAnywhere's commands are fully parameterizable in this way. I'll set some values and then save the command. Now let's try and run from here. You'll see that in less than a second, the form command is filled out and submitted, saving both scripting effort and time. Now let's switch to an Android device and run the exact same script. Because these scripts act on the actual web elements and not pixel-based, they work without any customizations or changes across devices. Now we'll try to change something up a little bit. We've created this website so that we can change it easily, and I'm going to change the style sheet for the page. note that the UI of the website completely changes, but the script still runs. We've created a portable script that runs across real mobile devices that's resilient to UI changes in the website. So now that we've shown you how you can quickly and easily create resilient automated scripts that work across devices to test web content, let's see how we do the same thing for native apps. We'll use an app that we downloaded from the Android market. Just like with the website testing, we've got an easy command to open up the application. I drag in that command, choose the app that I want, and save and close. I run the command, and you'll see that it opens up the application no matter what home screen or app I'm currently in. Now I'll start scripting a test case to find an ATM. Instead of pulling in a web command, this time I'll select the native object command. I'll open the command, and just like the web command allowed me to peek under the covers of the website, I can do the same for this native app. The system automatically identifies all of the native objects and presents them in a visual representation. I can select any object and act on it. In this first command, I'll select Find ATM. Now I'll drag a second command in to enter a zip code using the Enter Text command. I'll add another verification step to ensure that the correct ATM appears. Again, any of these steps can be parameterized to allow running through a set of data, say different zip codes. Now let's run the completed script. And again, you can see how quickly it completes the test case. Lastly, let's view the results. So you can see that DeviceAnywhere saves the detailed screenshots and step-by-step results, so it's easy to run something offline and view results at a later time. These two simple test cases illustrate DeviceAnywhere script objects technology and the ability to easily create resilient test scripts that work across devices with no modification. This just scratches the surface of the available functionality, which includes the ability to create large test cycles comprised of hundreds of test cases, scheduling functionality, an easy-to-use recorder for those new to scripting, and text and image commands to perform UI-based testing when the exact UI validation is required. In addition, if you're a more advanced user, you can utilize our complete Java API to write scripts for real devices and integrate with external data sources and third-party applications. Lastly, DeviceAnywhere Enterprise Automation has integration modules for traditional test automation tools, such as HP Unified Functional Testing, HP ALM, and IBM's Rational Quality Manager. DeviceAnywhere Enterprise Automation enables you to provide a quality mobile product with flexible, easy-to-use, and powerful automation capabilities, helping you be faster, more efficient, and giving you the most simplicity than ever before.